Hello students, welcome you to the physical science class. Today we are going to discuss the unit 2 force and motion book exercise solution. Evaluation. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, unit of speed is A meter, B second, C kilogram, D meter per second. Meter is a unit for length, second is a unit for time, kilogram is a unit for mass, meter per second is a unit for speed. Hence, unit of speed is meter per second. Option D is the right answer. Question number 2, oscillatory motion among the following is A. Rotation of the earth about its axis. B. Revolution of the moon about the earth. C. To and fro movement of a vibrating string. D. All of this. Rotation of the earth about its axis is rotational motion. Revolution of the moon about the earth undergoes circular motion. To and fro movement of a vibrating string is oscillatory motion. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Oscillatory motion among the following is to and fro movement of a vibrating string. Question number 3. The correct relation among the following is A. Speed is equal to distance into time. B. Speed is equal to distance per time. C. Speed is equal to time per distance. D. Speed is equal to 1 by distance into time. The formula to calculate speed is distance travelled by time taken. Hence, option B, speed is equal to distance by time, is the correct answer. Question number 4. Geeta rides with her father's bike to her uncle's house, which is 40 km away from her home. She takes 40 minutes to reach there. Statement 1. She travels with a speed of 1 km per minute. Statement 2. She travels with a speed of 1 km per hour. A. Statement 1 alone is correct. B. Statement 2 alone is correct. C. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither statement 1 nor statement 2 is correct. In this question, Geeta rides with her father's bike with a distance of 40 km. Time taken is 40 minutes. Speed is distance per time. Speed is equal to 40 km per 40 minutes. 40 km divided by 40 minutes gives the speed as 1 km per minute. Statement 1. She travels with a speed of 1 km per minute is correct. Hence, option A, statement 1 alone is correct. Second Roman letter, find whether the following statements are true or false. If false, give the correct answer. Question number 1, to and fro motion is called oscillatory motion. As we know that to and fro movement is oscillatory motion, the answer is true. Question number 2, vibratory motion and rotatory motion are periodic motions. Vibratory motion is otherwise known as oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is to and fro motion. Rotatory motion, the movement is about its own axis. For example, rotation of the earth about its own axis. Periodic motions, the motion repeats itself after equal intervals of time. Vibratory motion and rotatory motion both are periodic motions. Hence, the answer is true. Question number 3. Vehicles moving with varying speeds are said to be in uniform motion. Varying. The word varying means different. Uniform motion. The speed is same here. For non-uniform motion, the speed is different. The speed vary. In this question, varying speeds are said to be in uniform motion is given. It is false. The correct statement is vehicles moving with same speeds are said to be in uniform motion. Otherwise, we can say that vehicles moving with varying speeds are said to be in non-uniform motion. Question number 4. Robots will replace human in future. We know that robots are machines that can do the human jobs. With artificial intelligence, robots will be able to make decisions for themselves. They can work by our commands. As robots can never be conscious, it will not replace humans in future. Humans are conscious, we know we are thinking, but robots can ever be conscious. It can ever replace human in future. So, the answer is false. The correct statement for the question number 4 is robots will not replace human in future. Roman letter 3. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. A bike moving on a straight road is an example of dash motion. Straight. Note the word straight here. If any body moving on a straight line, the motion is rectilinear. Otherwise, we commonly say it as linear motion. Here, the bike moving on a straight road. Hence, it is an example of linear motion. Answer for question number 1 is linear motion. Question number 2. Gravitational force is a dash force. There are two types of forces, contact and non-contact force. Contact force, the force that happens by touching or physical contact. For example, if you want to ride a bicycle, you are pushing the pedals of the bicycle with your legs. You are applying contact force, muscular force here. For non-contact force, without touching, the force will happen. For example, apple falling from a tree. Apple falls from the tree is due to the gravitational force. The gravity of the earth pulls the apple down. Without touching or without any physical contact, the apple falls down. Hence, it is non-contact force. Answer for question number 2 is non-contact force. Question number 3. Motion of a potter's wheel is an example of dash motion. Potter's wheel will rotate about its own axis. Hence, the motion is rotational or rotatory motion. Answer for question number 3 is rotational motion. Question number 4. When an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, it is said to be in dash motion. In this question, the distance covered is equal. Same distance. Hence, the motion is said to be uniform motion. If the distance is not same, not equal, the motion is non-uniform motion. Answer for question number 4 is uniform motion. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. 1. The child playing on a slide. The child moves in a straight line. The motion is linear motion. Child playing on a slide. Option C, linear motion. Second, spinning top. The top rotates about its own axis. The motion is rotational. Spinning top. D, rotatory motion. Third, the movement of a swing. The swing moves to and fro. The motion is oscillatory motion. The movement of a swing. Option B, oscillatory motion. Fourth, swirling stone tied to the rope. The stone rotates about the circular path. The motion is circular motion. The movement of a stone tied to the rope. Option A, circular motion. 5. Car moves on a road. Car moving on a straight line. The motion is linear. In the car, the wheel rotates. The wheel undergoes rotational motion. The motion is rotatory motion. Car moving on a straight road. Option E, linear and rotatory motion. Fifth Roman letter, analogy. Question number 1. Kicking a ball, contact force. Falling off leaf, dash. The force executed by touching the body, the force is contact force. Falling off leaf, the leaf falls from the tree without touching or without any physical contact. The force is non-contact force. Answer is non-contact force. Question number 2. Distance, meter, speed, dash. The unit for distance is meter. The unit for speed is meter per second. Question number 3. Circulatory motion, a spinning top. Oscillatory motion, dash. Spinning top moves around in a circular path. Oscillatory motion, the movement is to and fro. Example for oscillatory motion is swinging of a pendulum. Sixth Roman letter, given below is the distance travelled by an elephant across a forest with uniform speed. Complete the data of the table given below with the idea of uniform speed. Distance, meter, time, second. The distance is given in the table of 4. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 0 into 0, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 4, 20. Time, second. The time is in table of 2. 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10. Speed is calculated by the formula distance divided by time. Seventh Roman letter, complete the web chart. Here the type of motion and definition is given. You have to fill up the chart. Non-periodic movement. Definition: motion is not in uniform intervals. The time is unequal for non-periodic movement. Movement repeated after a fixed interval of time. The motion is oscillatory motion. The movement repeats, to and fro motion. The movement repeats. after a particular time. The type of motion is oscillatory motion. Movement around own axis or a fixed center. It rotates about its own axis. The motion is rotatory motion. 8th Roman letter, give one word for the following statements. Question number 1, the force which acts on an object without physical contact with it. There are two types of forces, contact force and non-contact force. The force executed by touching, the force is contact force. Without touching or without any physical contact, the force acting is non-contact force. Question number 2, a change in the position of an object with time. Position changes with respect to time. Answer is motion. Question number 3, the motion which repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. The motion repeats again and again after a particular time. The type of motion is oscillatory motion. Question number 4, the motion of an object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time. Speed is same. The distances covered is equal with equal time. Answer is uniform motion. Question number 5, a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. Robots are the machines. They perform human actions more accurately and they perform the jobs faster. Answer, robots. 9th Roman letter, answer the following in a sentence or two. Question number 1, define force. Answer is in page number 20 on your textbook. Inside the box, you mark the point. Forces are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. Animate agency means contact force. Inanimate agency, non-contact force. Without touching or without any physical contact, the forces acting upon it. Question number 2, name different types of motion based on the path. Answer is in page number 29 on your textbook. Based on path, under that you mark the 6 classification of motion. First one, linear motion. Second, curvilinear motion. Third, circular motion. Fourth, rotatory motion. Fifth, oscillatory motion. Sixth, zigzag motion. Question number 3, if you are sitting in a moving car, will you be at rest or motion with respect to your friend sitting next to you? You have to write the answer near the question. I am in rest with respect to my friend. Question number 4, rotation of the earth is a periodic motion. Justify. You write the answer near the question. Rotation of the earth is a periodic motion because it takes equal intervals of time for all rotations. Motion repeated in equal intervals of time is called as periodic motion. Earth rotates in equal intervals of time by 24 hours. Question number 5, differentiate between rotational and curvilinear motion. Rotational motion, curvilinear motion. Point 1, a body moves along a circular path. Curvilinear motion, a body moves along a curved path. Point 2, without changing its position, movement of a body about its own axis. Curvilinear motion changes its position with respect to motion. Third point, rotational motion example, spinning top. Curvilinear motion example, paper flight. 10th Roman letter, calculate. Question number 1, a vehicle covers a distance of 400 km in 5 hours. Calculate its average speed. Solution. Distance covered by the vehicle is 400 km. Time taken is 5 hours. We have to calculate average speed. The formula for average speed is distance covered divided by time taken. 400 km divided by 5 hours. We get the average speed as 80 km per hour. Roman letter 11. Answer in detail. Question number 1. What is motion? Classify different types of motion with examples. Answer is in page number 18 for the question what is motion. Mark the first two lines inside the box. When there is a change of position of an object with respect to time, then it is called as motion. Then take page number 29 on your textbook. The motion chart inside the box, you fully mark it. Motion types is based on path, duration and speed. Based on path, there are 6 types. Linear motion, example moving car. Curvilinear motion, example paper flight. Circular motion, example revolution of the earth around the sun. Rotatory motion, example spinning top. Oscillatory motion, example movement of a swing. Zigzag motion, example motion of a bee. Based on duration, periodic motion, example swinging pendulum. Non-periodic motion, example typing keyboard. Based on speed, there are 2 types, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, the speed is same, example hands of a clock. Non-uniform motion, the speed is different, it is not same, example moving train. Up to that you mark for detail 1. Letter 12. Fill with examples. Linear motion. Linear motion, moving in a straight line. Example apple falling on a tree. Curvilinear motion, moves in a curved line. Example throwing ball. Self-rotatory motion, the movement of your body about its own axis. Example spinning top. Circular motion, moving in a circle. Example athlete running around a track. Oscillatory motion, coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. It moves to and fro. Example clapping of elephant's ear. Irregular motion, the motion is in zigzag. Example football playing. Thank you students. Complete the book exercises on your textbook and learn it thoroughly.